Looking to simplify your crypto trading and boost performance with zero stress? Meet Finotraze, Canada's next-gen AI-powered crypto trading bot built for effortless, fully automated investing. Whether you're brand new to crypto or already deep in the game, Finotraze works around the clock, even while you sleep, to help grow your portfolio with precision and control. If efficiency, smart automation, and full custody over your assets matter to you, this may be exactly what you've been searching for. Get early access now. The exclusive and official link is available right below this video. Important, only use the link in the description to make sure you're accessing the real Finotraze platform, not a fake version. How does Finotraze work? Finotraze is powered by an advanced AI engine that leverages machine learning to adapt to the ever-changing crypto markets. It processes thousands of real-time data points, including technical indicators and live market news, to identify potential trading opportunities in seconds. You stay in control, always. Finotraze never touches your funds. It connects securely to your crypto exchange through API, operating with read-only or limited trading permissions. Your capital remains in your own account at all times. In performance tests across North America and Europe, Finotraze delivered up to 9% average monthly returns, depending on your selected risk profile. Note, while no profits are guaranteed, Finotraze includes built-in volatility protection, intelligent risk management, and 3 flexible trading modes: conservative, balanced, and aggressive. Your strategy, your choice. Ideal for busy Canadians. Don't have time to monitor charts or read crypto news 24/7? Just set up Finotraze once, and the AI bot does the rest. Track performance easily through a user-friendly dashboard, anywhere, anytime. Better still, the AI improves over time, learning from market behavior and optimizing trades automatically. Trusted security and transparency. Finotraze is developed to meet top-tier Canadian and international Fintech standards. No private keys stored. No direct access to your funds. Full transparency through live trade logs and real-time performance tracking. Dedicated support team available 24/7. Real-time insights and pro trading strategies. Finotraze gives you smart alerts and updates right in your dashboard, so you never miss a shift in the market. Supported strategies include dollar cost averaging, DCA, grid trading options-based strategies. There's no software to install. Finotraze is 100% cloud-based. Log in, customize your strategy, and let the AI handle the rest. Finotraze, why it's a game changer. Fully automated AI trading bot, 24/7 trading with no emotional decision-making. You keep full control of your funds. Special bonus for early access via the official link below. Test the platform securely. Avoid scams by using only the link in this video description. Start using Finotraze today and see how AI-powered automation can help grow your crypto. Smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching. See you inside the dashboard. Reminder, fake versions of Finotraze are circulating online. To stay safe, only use the verified link provided in the video description.